Students, we are going to do first exercise, that is 15.1, okay, in the mensuration chapter. The first question is, the length and breadth of a rectangular field are in the ratio 9:5 and the area of the field is given 14,580 meters square. Find the cost of fencing it at 3.25 per meter. So this is length and breadth are given. So it is a rectangular field, 9x and 5x. And what is the formula for area? Area of the field is length into breadth. Area of the rectangular field is length into breadth. Okay. So we are considering, if it is in ratio, we will add up x in both because it is multiples of the ratio given. So it is 9x into 5x, that is 45x square. Okay, which is given as 14,580 meters square. So what is x square? We will divide it. 14,580 upon 9 into x. I am splitting again here. This is 2 times 45, it is 9 times, then 1 and 6 upon 9. It is 324. So if x square is 324, you know the square root of 324 is 18. So here what is asked? You had to find out the length. Length is equal to 9x. That is 9 into 18. 8 times is 72, balance 7, 60, 162 meter. Okay. And what is breadth? Breadth is, we have taken it as 5x. So 5 into 18. It is 90 meter. Right. So we got length and breadth. Now what we had to find out? Find the cost of fencing. You had to fence it. That is, fencing means what? Going around and covering with the fence, isn't it? So it is perimeter. When it is around, what is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? It is in the shape of rectangle. So 2 into L plus B. Length and breadth you already know. So 2 into 162 plus 90. How much it is? 162 plus 100 is 262. So 252 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. This 504 meter. Unit is meter. Okay. Now, what cost of fencing you had to find out. So the whole perimeter you came to know, and per meter it is 3.25 rupees. So for cost of fencing, how many meters you had to fence? 504 meter is rupees 3.25 into 504. Okay, so it is 504, 325, 5 4s are 20, balance 2, 5 5s are 25, 3 2s are 8, 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 0 0, 2 5s are 10, then 3 4s are 12, balance 1, 3 5s are 15. So it is 0, 10, balance 1, 7, 8, 3, 6, 1. So 2 zeros. It is rupees 1,638. So the cost of fencing the whole rectangular field whose dimensions are given in the ratio 9:5 is rupees 1,638. We will go for the next question. Now the second question is, two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter. So imagine that this is your parallelogram. This is 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter. Okay. Now if the distance between the longer sides, so distance, these are the longer sides, so the distance between them is 12 centimeter. Okay. So find the distance between the shorter. This is the shorter one. So you have to find this distance. Okay. How you are going to find? First you will find, if the parallelogram is given, this is the base you can consider and this is the height. So you can find the area. So area of a parallelogram. What is the formula? Area of a parallelogram. The formula is BH, base into height. That is base into height. Now here I am considering the base as 24 centimeter. So it is 24 into and height, that is a perpendicular distance between the longer side. Here I am taking it as height. So 12. 12 fours are 48, balance 4, 12 twos are 24, so 288, and area is in centimeter, so it is centimeters square. Okay, the sides are in centimeters. So you got the area. Now what did they ask is that find the distance between shorter sides. Shorter sides, that is x. So this distance you had to find out. Let the distance between shorter sides be x. Okay, and be x. So you have to find this. So area is same. Now I can use it like this. So this distance I have to find out. This is x and the area is same, base is 18. Okay, this parallelogram I have just rotated it. Now what happens? Area is, again the formula is base into height. It is taken as, because for the same parallelogram you are taking the distance, and now the base has become what? Base has become 18 into height you have to find out. So upon 288, isn't it? Equal to 288. So it is 288 upon 18. It comes to 1 time, then 108. It comes to 6. So it is 16 centimeter. So what did you get? The distance between shorter sides. Shorter sides is 16 centimeter. So for the same parallelogram you have just rotated and changed the base, and x you had to find out. So you got it as 16 centimeter. We'll go for the next question. Okay students, we are going for the next question. That is, Rajesh has a square plot with house in the middle as in figure. See that the figure, this is a square plot of 24 meter by 24 meter, and it has got a house. House is rectangular shape and it is 18 meter length and 12 meter breadth, and house at the center. Okay, find the total cost of developing the garden. That is, a garden is planned around. So around the house he is planning to build a garden, and the total cost of developing the garden at rupees 50 per meter square. So what you have to find out? First you have to find out the area of the whole plot. Then you have to find out the area of the house. If you find the difference between both the areas, then you will get what? The area of the garden. Because see that this is the plot and this is the house. So you have to find out only this shaded part. The shaded part, how you will find out? This is the garden. So the total area minus the area of the house will give you the area of the garden. Then you can find out for developing. So area of the plot. Plot is a square plot. Area of the square plot. What is it? Side into side. That is 24 into 24. It is 576 meter square. Okay, in meters. So it is in meter square unit. Now what is the area of house? Area of house is rectangular, so area is length into breadth, that is 18 into 12. 12 is 16, well 216 meters square. Okay, so it is 216 meters square. Now what you have to find out? The area of the garden. Area of garden is the difference between both the areas is equal to area of the plot minus area of house. Okay, area of house. So it is, we got for the plot is 576 minus we got for the house is 216. So it is 360 meters square. So you got the area for the garden. Now what is your purpose? You have to find out the total cost of developing this one. This is 360 meters square. So per meter square it is 50. So cost of developing, how much it is? You have to multiply. Cost of developing the garden. Developing the garden equals, per meter square it is rupees 50. So rupees 50 into 360. It is 0, 5 6 are 30, balance 3, 5 3s are 15, 18. So rupees 18,000. 18,000 is the cost of developing the whole garden. Understood? That is outer area minus the inner area will give you what is left out, that is the area of the garden. Now we will go for the next question. Yes, students. So the next question is, an ant is moving around the food pieces. See that different shapes of the food pieces are given. An ant is moving around it. For which shape it would have to take longer route? That is, when ant moves around it, for which of the among the three shapes given, the ant will take longer route. So you have to find out what going around means. It is circumference or perimeter. So what is the shape? First shape is a semicircle. So perimeter or circumference of the semicircle. What is it? Going around means it is not area, it is circumference. So circumference or perimeter. So what is it? Circumference is pi r. Circumference, because the shape is a semicircle. Semicircle means half of the circle. For the full circle, the perimeter is 2 pi r. So for half of the circle, it is pi r. So here diameter is given. Diameter is 2.8 centimeter. So what is r? Half of it. It is 1.4 centimeter. Now pi you can consider it as 22 by 7 here. 22 upon 7, because it is a multiple of this one. 7. That is why I have taken. So it is, here it is 0.2. So 22, 44. So 4.4 centimeter. Okay. So for the first one, it has taken 4.4 centimeter. So going around the first one, it has taken 4.4 centimeter. Now what about the B? B is a combination of, you can see here it is a semicircle, then it is a combination of some other shape. So here it is 1.5 and 1.5, and this is the diameter, that is 2.8 centimeter. So this length you have to add up, 2.8 centimeter, isn't it? It is going around. So all the sides should be considered, isn't it? So it is total is, from, if I start from this point, it is 1.5 plus 2.8 plus 1.5, then it is a semicircle that is coming. What is the area of the semicircle? It is 4.4, which we have calculated in the first step. In the first A part, you have calculated this one. Now you will add up. It is 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. 3 plus this is 5.8. 5.8 plus 4.4. 2, it is 9, 10. That is 10.2 centimeter. So in the second part, it has travelled 10.2 centimeters. Okay. Now we will go for the third part. That is, the shape is given as a semicircle and two triangles per this one. See that slanting one. So the C1, it is, how much it is? We will do, it will go, we will start from here. So it is 2 plus, then the semicircle. Around the semicircle we got it as 4.4, because from the first one we got it, this one as 4.4. So no need of calculating again and again. Then it comes to this part, that is 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4.4 is 8.4 centimeter. So the first one was, how much it was? The first one was 4.4 centimeter. Then you got the B as 10.2 centimeter. Then now the C as 8.4 centimeter. So which is the longer route? The longer route taken by the ant. Longer route taken by ant is, among these one, it is the B. That is B. 10.2 centimeter it has taken. Perimeter you have, because it is going around the food particles. Okay. So thank you.